In this video, I'm going to be doing an in-depth review about the Legendary Marketer 5-Day Challenge. If this is a product that you're considering buying, or maybe you want to know what is actually inside, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this video is going to be all about the Legendary Marketer 5-Day Challenge. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay, once you access or you purchase the 5-day challenge, this is what you're going to get access. Okay, as you notice here, we have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. The very first thing is that they're going to ask you, like, if do you want to work with a business advisor, or if you want to know, if you want to do this, at your own pace by yourself. You always have the opportunity to get in touch with a business advisor, no matter if you decide to answer yes or no. Okay. So the very first day, it's going to be this video. This video is about an introduction to digital marketing. Okay. And they also share with you the 4 core ways to earn money online. The first one, if you decide to create your own course, okay, if you decide to go and be a host of a live event, also, if you want to go ahead and create your own coaching program, or my favorite, which is affiliate marketing, in which you don't have to worry about creating a product or service, or, deal with customer service, tech support, payment processor, and all the stuff. Literally, what you do with affiliate marketing is that you promote other people's products and services in exchange of a commission, which for me, as I mentioned, I consider this is the really beginner-friendly way to earn money online. Okay, but you are going to have, all the information for all these 4 ways to earn money online with online courses, live event, coaching programs, and affiliate marketing. Here, you're going to listen about funnels, about email sequence, how to really create a profitable online business. You're going to learn about the value ladder. What if you decide to go with paid traffic, and, you know, like, how do you actually earn money with it? Okay. So that's everything on day number 1. You have the very first assignment is to watch the entire video. This is like an hour-long video, but man, it's really simple and easy to watch. You're going to learn all about the top niches. And something really important, guys, is that um, you're going to have, the opportunity to build a business in any niche that you decide to go ahead. Okay. As long as you decide to go all in, you're going to have all the knowledge that you need to be profitable on it. Okay. You're going to be invited to watch the Wake Up Legendary Marketer Show, which is an online show that you are going to be able to watch Monday to Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can also join the Facebook community. You can also have the opportunity to watch this show. It's on YouTube as well. Okay, here, as I mentioned, you have the opportunity to book a call with the business plan advisor. Okay, at no additional charge. This is a one-on-one call. And in order to continue, you need to take here where it says mark this lesson and it's complete, and you're going to be continuing. Okay, what about day number 2? Since you already have all the information, about online courses, live event, coaching program, affiliate marketing, you're going to have the opportunity to choose which one do you want to go with. Okay, especially if you have a regular 9 to 5, you better decide to go with one. If you want to build an entire ecosystem after that, that's okay. On day number 2, we are going to be focused on content. Okay. It's all about content. It's all about faceless content. You're going to see how you can use Canva in order to create this faceless content, which are the things that you need to take into consideration when you are also creating this content as well. I know that especially at the beginning, people don't feel comfortable, being in front of a camera Some of them cannot be in front of the camera because of their jobs. Some of them, they don't feel comfortable like, hey, I don't want to talk at all. Can I do this? Can I do this without showing my face, without, um, you know, talking? The answer is definitely yes, you can do it. And you're going to learn this in this lesson. Remember, it's all about content. At the end of the day, guys, content is the king. Here, you're going to have the assignment again, which is watch the entire video. You're going to have the opportunity to talk with your business plan advisor. And again, when you finish it, make sure that you're going to click here where it says mark this lesson as complete. What about day number 3? Okay. Well, we need leads. Okay. We need actually leads. And here we are going to learn about edutainment, which is educate and entertain. Okay. Because education should not be bothered. Should not be bored, actually, not bothered. Okay. So you're going to learn about that. You're going to learn about the hook story offer, which is something that, to be honest, I have been doing for the past 6, 7 years. Okay, it's the structure of all my content, and you're gonna learn what is actually really important, especially nowadays that we have different social networks like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. When people are literally scrolling, how people are gonna stop and they're gonna be like, "Hey, this is the content that I want to go." Okay, and how you can actually lead with confidence. How can you can be considered I don't want to say like an expert, but you know, a lot of people are gonna consider you an expert, um, okay, because you know a little bit more than them, okay. And chances are that already an expert on something, and people are asking you questions, but you don't consider yourself an expert. That's another thing, okay. But here, what you're gonna have on day number 3, okay. Here you're gonna have also, you need to watch the training. That's the very first assignment. Number 2, you're gonna have free proven, free proven hooks, okay, to help your idea audience stop to scroll and watch the videos. Okay, you're gonna grab the social media schedule mentioned on the training, in the training. Okay, it also provides great analytics as your business grow, and something really important, you're gonna have again the opportunity to schedule a call with a business advisor, and you can actually click here where it says go ahead and continue. Day number 4, which is one of the most important things for me. I know that most of the time we're focused on strategy. It's the mindset. I can tell you guys that I have seen a lot of things online. People who, they get like a huge success. It looks like it was an overnight success. And for some reason, they're gone. I have seen a lot of people who have been struggling for so long, but they made it. It's just because of their mindset. I can tell you my experience when I started my online journey, I had 2 full-time jobs. Okay. I have 2 full-time jobs, and I was like, it doesn't matter how much it's going to take. I'm going to make it happen. So I was, doing the things slower than everybody else because I had a lot of responsibilities. But after 6, 7 years, here I am. Okay. So it's because it's all because of the mindset. Okay. You are also going to have a reference um, to a clearly processed questionnaire. Okay. Clarity process questionnaire. You're going to have access to, or this is a recommendation to go ahead and buy a copy of the Reach That with That book. Okay. You can also schedule a call your business advisor, and you are going to be able to unlock the the next day. Something really important about mindset, guys, and it's about the shiny object syndrome. Uh, you know, sometimes you're like, hey, this is the path that I want to go, but you jump to the next thing because you watch something, read an article, I don't know. And that's one of the things that it stopped people from their success because they're jumping from thing to thing to thing rather than to be focused on one thing and stick to it and understand that, hey, this is a business. Uh, this is not something, like it's going to happen overnight. Yes, it do have the possibilities nowadays because we have, a lot of traffic sources, but to have a strong mindset is it's one of the things that is going to help you achieve your goals. Okay. So day number 5, here we are finally on day number 5, which is the business plan. Okay. Which is actually a business plan. This is a class that you're going to have the opportunity to watch. Go ahead, be with an open mind and watch it. Okay. You're going to have the opportunity to download your business plan. You're going to have the opportunity to watch an example of the business plan. Okay. Here you're going to learn about the over 23,000 students that Legendary Marketer has. Okay. Um, you're going to have more information about the core 4, which I already told you, which are affiliate marketing. But here you're going to have the business blueprints, digital courses, coaching and consulting, and events and masterminds. Okay. Plus, you're going to have some amazing bonuses if you decide to go and get them, which is the ticket in a day. You're going to have the 9 done for your winning affiliate campaigns. You're going to have the accelerator mastering TikTok without talking. Remember something that I told you at the beginning, like, hey, can you do this? Without showing your face, without talking, yeah, you can do it. You're going to have daily life coach, okay, and other bonuses as well if you decide like, hey, this is what you actually want to go ahead and do, okay? So if you haven't started with this 5-day challenge, I'm going to be leaving a link below, okay? So you can actually get it. And something, again, really important is that Legendary Marketer do have their own affiliate program. If you want to go ahead and promote it, you need to make sure that you're going to go through the compliance training. Okay, the compliance training is actually really important. And for me, especially, it's something that I think it's key. If even if you have your own product, your own service, even if you're, hosting your own live event and having your own coaching program, you need to know how to do this right. So again, if you haven't purchased this 5-day challenge, again, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can have the opportunity to access it. Okay. So this is for this video. I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and see you guys on the next video.